The moment we take that first step toward a dream, our hearts race with excitement. We're filled with a passionate energy that seems inexhaustible, as if we're about to set the world on fire. That first step is magical, a leap into the unknown, fueled by the hope of what's possible. However, time can be both a friend and an adversary. After a week, or even months or years, that initial spark can begin to dim. That initial enthusiasm can wane, replaced by fatigue or doubt. The path we once sprinted on can turn out to feel like a marathon. When the journey gets tough, some people stop in their tracks. They halt the daily grind that moves them closer to their dreams. They whisper, "Maybe it isn't meant for me," or "I guess I don't want it enough." As a matter of course, they choose the path of least resistance, a road paved with mediocrity. Their dreams, once bright and full of promise, fade away. But that doesn't have to be your story. Settle? That's not for you. Let your dreams go? That's not who you are. Every challenge, every setback is an invitation to show the world, and more importantly, yourself, what you're truly made of. Every day, a million distractions knock at our door, the buzz of a new notification, the allure of the next big thing, the constant stream of opportunities. They're like shiny objects, tempting us to look away, to wander. We find ourselves saying yes to everyone, lending an ear to every complaint, and stretching ourselves thin for every request. But remember this, too many detours will lead to a lost journey. If we let our focus scatter, if we give in to every fleeting temptation, we risk losing the essence of who we are. We risk letting our true passions, our true purpose, get buried under a pile of distractions. You must get this, in this whirlwind of life, distractions are many, but time is limited. It's easy to get lost in the noise, chasing after everything and accomplishing nothing. But greatness, it begins with focus. Instead of chasing multiple things, just hone in on what really matters to you. Think about those few things that set your soul on fire. What are you most passionate about? What drives you? Find those things and let them be your guiding stars. Now, it's time to make a choice. Let go of distractions. Anything that doesn't serve your purpose, that doesn't help you reach your goal, it's only noise. Strip it away. Make room only for what fuels your journey forward. Each morning brings a new chance, a fresh start. To transform dreams into reality, you need more than hope. You need a plan, a crystal clear vision of where you want to go and the steps to get there. And then, focus and act on it every single day. Imagine focusing on just one thing, one goal, one passion, and giving it your absolute all. If you could channel all your energy into one thing, just one, how unstoppable would you become? Now, let's get real. What's holding you back? Endless hours on social media? Or is it binge watching TV shows, letting precious hours slip away? Realize that? It's time for a change. It's time to reclaim your hours, minutes, and even seconds. Ask yourself, what can you start today to shape a better tomorrow? Remember, the choices you make shape your destiny. Discipline is the key. It is the key to true freedom, enabling you to pursue your passions. Also, every great achievement demands a sacrifice. Without sacrifice, there are no rewards. To rise, we must sometimes let go. So, ask yourself, what are you ready to leave behind for a brighter future? Are you ready to prioritize your dreams over weekend plans? Sometimes, success means skipping the parties and focusing on your goals. You must give it your all, every moment, every bit of energy. Stay laser-focused on your goal, letting nothing deter you. Fill your days with purposeful action, from sunrise to sunset, if you're truly committed to success. Activity breeds results. Stand out by going the extra mile where others won't. Commit to this consistently, year after year, and you'll rise to the top in your chosen field. Champions have a single-minded focus, allowing only winning thoughts to occupy their minds. To be a winner, shift your daily focus. Choose what you watch, read, and hear wisely. Engage in uplifting conversations. Every moment should move you closer to your dreams. Start today, not tomorrow or next week. True greatness focuses on the present. When you aim for greatness, don't just plan for a month or even a week. Focus on the next 24 hours and give it your all. Even if skills abound, they mean nothing without cultivation and passion. Don't just exist, thrive and hone your gifts. Untapped talents remain just that, unused and unappreciated. Yet, your innate gifts have the power to propel you to unimaginable heights. Stay focused and develop your skills. Believe me, once your skill is honed, you'll be astounded to see what you can achieve. The key lies in mastering the art of concentration. When you train yourself to block out distractions to keep your vision clear and unwavering, that's when the magic happens. Dive deep into your potential. Learn, grow, and dedicate yourself. Make the conscious choice every day to refine your abilities. Only then will you unlock the true extent of what you're capable of. Unlock your focus, and a world of ideas will flood in. You'll draw in the right people, and opportunities will unfold before your eyes. Suddenly, you'll realize the vast potential that was always there, just waiting for your attention. While many are caught up in the distractions of others' lives, you can hone in on your unique path. Falling into society's gossip trap only holds you back. Instead, chart your course, execute your plans, and be amazed at the endless possibilities that await. All you need to do is commit to personal growth daily. Believe in your potential and remind yourself of it consistently. Always stay laser-focused on your goals, shutting out any noise. Remember, what's meant for you will always find its way. As you sharpen your skills and broaden your vision, you become the master of your fate. There are no limits. No room for excuses. You have the power to shape your future. This is the essence of true potential.